Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got one of the baddest analog elegant watch faces you ever want to check out. So if you're going to be hitting happy hour on Thursday, or you got something planned, you're going out over the weekend and you want to get set up early, this is going to be the watch face you want to download. Very elegant, very nice. Now this one is coming from Roma. It's going to be free in the Gear Manager store from the 14th through the 16th. Make sure you don't miss out on this awesome freebie by Roma. Now, the name of the watch face is called Roma Black Elegance Gold Multi. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same exact look. You're not going to get the little shimmer that you get on the numbers that looks beautiful. I thought Roma did an excellent job with adding realism to the watch face. I love the ticking second hand as well. It's gold, and you got gold analog hands as well, which looks beautiful. So the detailing of this watch face, especially the background, is also nice, and it's going to be pretty much an energy saving watch face depending on what color you set this to. And yes, you could set it to multi-colors, right? Now, if you look to the left, you are going to get your battery percentage. I thought that was a nice added look. And also you're going to get your date to the right, which is a classic look for a luxury type of watch face like this one. Now, I like the overall look. The design is nice, and you can change the colors. So if you double tap, you could change the color theme of this watch face. And this is very nice. Roma added some very nice, beautiful colors. This video isn't going to do it justice. You got to see this in person. And again, people, this is one you want to have in your archives, especially if you're going to be going out and ripping up the town. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.